Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you which one is better, Xiaomi G10 versus Xiaomi G10 Plus. For its suction power, Xiaomi G10 has a 150 AW while the G10 Plus has a 170 AW. For the battery, 2500 mAh for the G10 up to 60 minutes of usage, while the G10 Plus also has a 2500 mAh but has a slightly improved efficiency for longer use. For their charging time, they have both 3 to 4 hours charging time. On display, the Xiaomi G10 Plus has a more features and touchscreen has more features. For the filtration system, Xiaomi G10 has a standard filtration, while the Xiaomi G10 Plus has a advanced multi-layer filtration that captures smaller particles. For the brushes and attachment, standard motorized brush and accessories, while the G10 Plus includes more advanced brushes and motorized heads for carpets. For the smart features, on G10 it has a basic app control, voice assistant compatibility. For the G10 Plus, it has a advanced app control with enhanced scheduling and better voice assistant integration. For their weight, they both have of 1.5 kilograms. For the dustbin capacity, they both have 0.6 liters. Now for the power modes, Xiaomi G10 has a multiple power modes, including Eco, Standard, and Turbo, while the G10 Plus has a enhanced turbo power for carpet cleaning. On their price, G10 is more affordable, while the G10 Plus is slightly more expensive due to the extra features. Now, the Xiaomi G10 offers strong performance with standard features for everyday cleaning tasks at a more affordable price, while the Xiaomi G10 Plus provide an enhanced suction and upgraded filtration system and additional attachments, making it more suitable for deep cleaning and specialized tasks, especially on carpets. So Xiaomi G10 Plus is much better, but it is more expensive, and that's basically it.